Begin your auto buying process by visiting our website and going to our auto buying service webpage. Select the make of the car you'd like, enter in your zip code, then select the arrow button to search for cars in your area. After selecting your preferred vehicle model, you can choose all of your preferred options by selecting Configure your preferences. Or you can let TrueCar choose a default build. After you made your selection, you'll be taken to a summary page that includes matching local inventory, price comparisons, and similar used car options at local dealerships. If you're satisfied with the information on this page and want to move forward to get the true prices available for this car, click See Member Price on Local Inventory, or Get Your Offer in the Match Your Area section. Once you fill out a few pieces of information, select the dealerships you are interested in seeing offers for. The names of dealerships will be available in a later screen. The options are sorted by most competitive prices, location, and best vehicle matches. Make your selections, then click See More Offers. Vehicle matches will be displayed based on your vehicle preferences and based on the dealership selected in the previous screen. Under each vehicle will be the price range, savings amount, and how much of a match it is to the vehicle you built on the previous screens. Click on a vehicle to get more information. At this time, certificates from these selected dealerships will also be sent to the email address provided. Be sure to print your auto buying service certificate that you can take to the dealership to ensure that you'll get that hassle-free price. You can also apply for a BCU auto loan before you head to the dealership to get your pre-approved rate, which may include a discount for using the auto buying service.